best CPA marketing websites available where you don't need any market approval. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the top CPA sites available where you can start selling and promoting products without having to wait for any approvals. So first off, you might be wondering, how does CPA marketing work? Well, first off, a user needs to click an affiliate link. Then the user is sent to a landing page that is provided by your CPA provider. The user then completes an action, which is usually selling a product or purchasing a product, and then you, the affiliate, gets paid. And you might be wondering, oh, what's the difference between this and affiliate marketing then? Affiliate marketing focuses on the purchase of products, while CPA can be very, very different because it can only require users to fill out a form or submit their email or do a certain tiny action instead of actually purchasing any item. And this is why I find CPA marketing to be a whole lot more easier and a whole lot more lucrative than affiliate marketing. So let's get into the top sites that are available as a CPA marketer. So first off, we have CPALead.com, and CPA Lead is one of the top platforms that you can use for CPA marketing. It has really been around since 2009, so you're going to find a lot of different offers over here. As an advertiser, you're going to have self-serving advertising, you're going to have global reach, you're going to have low entry, low risk, and you're going to have a lot of device detection as well. So not only does their PPC advertising system support targeting by country, but they also support targeting by device. So you're going to be able to be more in control of the different leads that you're generating as well. So you can see CPA Lead has paid over $100 million to its publishers all over the world. And if you want to start earning, you're just going to click on start earning right here. And then you can even see the payout system on CPA Lead, which is bi-weekly, and you can start earning just by entering your first name, last name, and email address. So you can even choose to sign up with Google, and there are a few reasons for certain things as well. So there is a $1 minimum daily payment option. So you can't really withdraw money unless you have a certain balance that you have maintained in your CPA or in your CPA wallet or your CPA account. So next up on our list, we have MyLead Global. So MyLead Global is another very easy to use platform where you can have a comprehensive way to earn money. You can see over here that there are many different websites or platforms that they're working with, and you can easily start by clicking on join now over here. And then you can just join with Google, Facebook, or Apple, or just use your email, and then you can start promoting their products. It is also a no approval needed CPA marketing website, so you don't need to wait for any approvals to get started. Now, next up on our list is Adventure.net, and Adventure.net is not a no approval site, it is a fast approval site. So you're just going to click on affiliates over here to get more information about the affiliate program, but you're going to have to wait to get approved, but it usually takes just a couple of hours to get approved on Adventure. So once you are a Adventure affiliate, you get exclusive and direct offers, you get worldwide GEOs, you also get weekly guaranteed payments, so you can do weekly checkouts with your Adventure wallets, while a lot of other website platforms are not going to let you do that. You also get attentive account managers and affiliate friendly technology as well. Now, next up on our list, we have Fireeyes.org. Now, Fireeyes.org is another affiliate network where you can get bi-weekly payments. You can see over here, if you go onto their Earn Online section, you're going to be able to see how much money you can start making as a lead. So every time a user completes a lead, you can receive upwards of 350 euros, and that is a lot of money. So depending on the type of forms that you're able to get and the brands that collaborate with you, you're going to be able to make a lot of money with Fireeyes.org. Now, next up on our list, we have Adsense Media. Now, on Adsense Media, first off, you're going to click on what is your role. So if you're a publisher, if you're an advertiser, or if you're a developer. So if you say that you are a publisher, you can see over here that you can monetize your website and start earning money from that. Also, it does focus a lot on their on-time payments. You can get payments within 2 weeks on Adsense Media. Now, next up on our list, we have adworkmedia.com. Now, adworkmedia.com is a very old affiliate marketing network, or CPA network as well. They require no approval, so you can just enter your email and get started. And they do answer the question of why Adwork Media. Well, Adwork Media is not an average network. They have an inventory of over 2,500 of the most converting affiliate campaigns. So converting affiliate campaigns are those campaigns in which people actually complete the action and make you money. So they do promote themselves as a very top converting platform. So the customers that you're going to get from here are going to provide you with higher chances of conversions. Now, they also have a built-in monthly performance bonus and a knowledgeable support team that is available 7 days per week to assist you with your affiliate marketing or CPA needs. Now, next up on our list, we have MobiIdea, and this is another affiliate marketing program where you can get a 7-hour support per day, and you also get real-time optimization, so you can optimize your listings as well. The best thing I like about MobiIdea is their weekly payments. Now, next up on our list, we have CPAGrip.com, and CPAGrip.com is another very old and established platform where you're able to get payouts weekly as well. And next up on our list is CPA Trend, where it has been one of the most popular CPA marketing websites. They have prompt payouts, so they have a publisher start on standard NET5 terms. With quality traffic, you will be moved to weekly or bi-weekly payments, and the bi-weekly threshold needs to be $500 plus, and our weekly threshold needs to be $1,000 plus for you to actually be able to withdraw your money. So that is a slight inconvenience, but it's still pretty good, and if you're making that much money, you can easily withdraw it within a week. Now, next up on our list, we have MGCash.com. MGCash has one limitation, that is it is only focused on the US. So if you're not from the US, I wouldn't really recommend this. They do say that they are global, but most of their traffic is primarily US based traffic. Now, the second last on our list is Adswing.com. Adswing.com has a lot of offers. It has a high conversion rate, and the best part is that they work with PayPal as well, so you're able to get secure payments. And there are a lot of different international offers on this platform. So if you're not from the United States or Canada, you can definitely find a lot of different CPA networks that you can get access through from Adswing.com. And the last option on our list today is affiliate paying. So they are linked as AFFpaying.com, and this is one of the oldest CPA networking sites. You can see over here that there are many different deposits that they require as well to start signing up for their premium networks, or you can just sign up and find a affiliate that is starting or building from scratch and join their team and start marketing with them as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to choose the best CPA network for you. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.